Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Brandon and today Direct Tools Factory Outlet is having 25% almost everything plus half off of their regular shipping. Now there are just so much to go through. I mean, you're talking about hundreds of different tools, items. I mean, just it's a lot. So I went through the list and picked what I thought would be the best and most interesting tool deals on this list. But of course, if you want to go through it, they have like hand tools and some extra accessories. Didn't select any of that, mainly just stuck with the tools, but if there was something you're interested in, of course, be sure to check it out. Alright, now we're going to start with just going down the list. $60 for their 40 volt rapid charger, $52 for their fast charger, so for an extra $8 you get their rapid charger versus a fast charger. Alright, now $90 for Ryobi's HP 6.5 inch circular saw, Ridgid's mid torque impact wrench for only $105. Now some of these are going to be shipped to home as well as only store only pickup, so we have to pay attention to that. But moving on, their 7.25 circ saw is only $97. Ryobi's HP compact one-handed recip saw for only $41. It's not a bad deal. Now Ridgid's drywall deck screwdriver comes with that nice magazine to hold all those screws for only $75. Now Ryobi's 2 amp high performance battery for only $52. Ridgid is having their 4 amp max output battery for only $67. Going back to Ryobi, they're having their HP brushless toolkit for only $120. So 2 amp HP batteries, a nice bag, charger, and then you do get some free accessories with that. But of course, the drill driver and impact driver for only $120. Of course, add $7-8 worth of shipping on all of these items. Switching gears to Hart, they're having their 20 volt 2 gallon wet dry vacuum for only $49. If you don't need a shop vac but still want a handheld vacuum, it's only $21 for Hart's 20 volt automated hand vac. Now if you're doing a lot of pressure washing, you're doing a driveway, this 12 inch for an electric pressure washer for only $52. Switching back to Ryobi, their HP SDS hammer drill for only $105. Now going back to the hand vacuum, Ryobi's having their version for only $34. Ryobi's having their HP 4-mode impact wrench for $119. Ridgid's having their brushless recip saw for only $97. Ryobi's thickness planer for $277. Now this is factory blemish, not reconditioned, so if you don't mind a scratch or a number tilted off some way, $277, you get a thickness planer. For $52, their HP impact driver, the same impact wrench, except this is factory blemish for $140. Now they're having their handheld sprayer, again factory blemish, for only $17. I thought this was interesting. Their 15 gauge angled finish nailer for only $91. Alright, going back, Ridgid's having their same 2 amp max output battery for $52. Now this was just wild. Ryobi's 80 volt HP brushless 30 inch cross-cut self-propelled mower kit, $1,425, normally $1,900. That is absolutely wild. Don't know if that's worth it, but Ryobi's massive 12 amp 40 volt battery for $247, normally $329. I'm not going back, their HP drill driver kit for only $90. Now we're just having their 12 inch sliding miter saw for only $240. They have their brushless compact router for $112. Now this is interesting. Ryobi's HP brushless table saw for only $199. Now having their 12 inch missing air cannon fan for only $90. And going back there, having their HP brushless sliding miter saw for $225. Going back with Ridgid's high torque impact wrench for $150. Ryobi's having a tile saw for only $70. Their HP 8 amp battery for only $105. That doesn't seem like a bad deal. Now they have their HP drill driver kit for $90. This does come with 2 amp hour HP batteries, so that's nice. Ridgid 3-speed impact driver for only $67. Their subcompact half-inch impact wrench, it is the 4 mode, for only $90. Their 7.25 rear hander circ saw for only $135. Ridgid's hammer drill for only $82. Their 4-mode impact driver for only $75. Switching back to Ryobi, they're having their 4-mode impact wrench for only $82. Now Ryobi's having their 6 gallon wet dry vac for only $82. Their 18 gauge brad nailer, normally on sale, brand new from like Home Depot, is only like $99, but if you don't mind factory reconditioned, you can save about $20 there. Now their Ryobi's cordless propane heater for only $97. Ridgid's brushless angle grinder, $75. Now Ryobi is having their track saw. This is the factory blemish 25% off for only $240. I've heard some mixed reviews about this. If you are going to invest and spend the money on a track saw, I would probably look at a different one. You're already going to spend this much, you might as well get one that does work well. But there you go, that is $240 there. Now going back, they're having their same HP table saw for $250. This is the factory blemish. Now their LED light for only $18. And Ryobi's having their handheld vac for only $24. Ridgid's drywall cutout tool for only $45. And Ryobi's having another thickness planer for only $240. This is the factory reconditioned one. And then to wrap it up, Ryobi's having their brushless HP recip saw for only $90. Again, the factory blemished version. Alright guys, now that was what I thought were some of the best tool deals that they were having at a decent price. Now again, you do have to still pay that shipping and make sure that the item is shipped if you can't pick it up. I don't have a local direct tools near me. I did, but they closed down and moved somewhere else, so that's unfortunate. But go through the list. There are hundreds and hundreds of items they have, again, from regular gloves to just pliers, screwdrivers, saw blades, all sorts of accessories and items. But these are all the best tool deals for all the way up to almost 25% off, so not bad if you're looking to save some money there and don't mind that extra shipping. You have to do the math to see if it's worth the cost. But alright guys, that was all I had for you today. Just wanted to point it out there that they are having that big sale, so go check it out. If you did see something you like, please go ahead and drop down a like. I definitely appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe for future tool deals. Alright, y'all, take care.